Welcome to the 3 lines of defense in the immune system. The first line of defense starts with the skin. As the pathogens attack a nearly impenetrable barrier, chemical secretions such as oils and sweats reinforce the skin, making it acidic and inhibiting the growth of most attacking pathogens. Along with the inhibitors, sweat's lysosomes enzymes digest bacterial cell walls. If a pathogen enters your body by way of digestive or respiratory tract, your body will enact the flushing effect, which includes, but is not limited to, vomiting, coughing, sneezing, and diarrhea. Lining the digestive tract are mucous membranes, which trap pathogens in mucus to make it easier for expulsions. In your respiratory tract, cilia sweep this pathogen-filled mucus away from the lungs towards the esophagus for expulsion. The second line of defense takes action when the first line is unable to stop pathogens. As the second line starts its battle, the inflammatory response is activated. First, a chemical called histamine is released at the entry site of the pathogen, causing the surrounding blood vessels to dilate, leading to an increase in blood flow. Next, that increase in blood flow allows more phagocytes, also known as white blood cells, to enter the infection site. Now, white blood cells attack pathogens which can cause redness and swelling. If the infection site starts to leak pus, it's just white blood cells along with dead cells and dead pathogens leaving your body. Next, your body will initiate fever. Your body's temperature begins to rise, slowing the rate at which bacteria grows. The final attempt in the second line is to activate interferon proteins. Your cells create and release a protein called interferon, which causes nearby cells to produce an enzyme which will prevent the virus from making more protein or RNA. The third and final line in the defense includes 6 specific cells or complexes. The helper T cell, which activates both cytotoxic T and B cells. The killer T cell, which attack and kill infected cells. The suppressor T cells, which inhibits an immune response by releasing signals to other immune cells. The plasma B cell, which produces antibodies that will bind to antigens. Antibody-antigen complex is when antibodies bind to the virus, which will later be eaten by a macrophage, and memory T cells, which remember which antibodies to produce for certain or specific pathogens. And those are the 3 immune system lines of defense.